Ever wonder if there's a workout that can tone your entire body, boost your mood, and be easy on your joints? Well, let me introduce you to the magic of swimming. Today, we're diving into all the amazing reasons why swimming might just be the perfect workout you've been missing. From building strength without any heavy weights to relieving stress like nothing else, swimming has so much to offer, whether you're a beginner or a pro. So let's dive in. First off, swimming is a total body workout that challenges almost every muscle you have. The water's natural resistance means that each stroke and kick engages multiple muscle groups, like your arms, shoulders, back, legs, and core. Think about this. With each freestyle stroke, you're pulling with your lats and triceps, stabilizing with your core, kicking with your glutes and hamstrings, and even engaging small stabilizers in your feet and ankles. No gym machine can give you that level of coordination and synergy in a single movement. Each stroke has its own unique benefits. Freestyle, for example, focuses on your shoulders and lats, while butterfly gives a crazy burn to your entire upper body and core. Breaststroke is fantastic for legs, and backstroke opens up your chest and shoulders. So, you're building strength and balance across your body, giving you lean muscle that's more defined and athletic. What's more, if you've ever had an injury or joint pain, you know how limiting high-impact exercise can be. With swimming, you get the best of both worlds, effective movement and low impact. The water holds up your body, reducing the stress on your bones, joints, and connective tissues, which makes it especially great for people with arthritis, those recovering from surgery, or anyone with joint pain. And since it's low impact, you can swim more frequently than you might run or lift weights, which makes it easier to stick with a routine over the long term. But wait, there is more. Swimming is an incredible workout for your cardiovascular system. Your heart and lungs work hard as you move through the water, which builds endurance and strengthens your cardiovascular system. Regular swimming has been shown to lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and reduce bad cholesterol levels. Plus, controlled breathing in swimming is like a workout for your lungs, which makes your entire respiratory system more efficient. And the best part? Swimming is a super adaptable cardio workout. Some days, you can do a slow, steady swim to focus on endurance and build up your stamina. Other days, you can do intense interval training, sprinting for 25 meters, then resting and going again. This versatility allows you to tailor your workout to your fitness level and goals. Did you know swimming stretches and lengthens muscles as you glide through the water, which can improve flexibility and range of motion? Think of it like a dynamic stretch workout. Every reach, pull, and kick lengthens your muscles, helping prevent stiffness and increasing flexibility. This is especially beneficial for people who sit a lot during the day, as it counteracts that hunched-over position and helps keep your joints healthy. Not to mention, building flexibility can help you avoid injuries, both in the pool and in other activities. Many swimmers find that their improved flexibility translates to better performance in other sports and lower risk of strains or sprains. Next up, swimming can burn a surprising amount of calories. In fact, it can burn as many or even more calories as running, depending on the intensity and the stroke. Freestyle swimming at a moderate pace can burn around 500 calories per hour, while a more intense stroke like butterfly can burn closer to 700. And because swimming uses your entire body, you'll continue burning calories even after you get out of the pool thanks to the afterburn effect. Plus, if you're looking to lose weight, swimming's mix of resistance and cardio is highly effective. Since it builds lean muscle while burning fat, it's a perfect option for anyone looking to reshape their body. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Moreover, swimming isn't just physical, it's a mental game. As you work on improving your technique, pushing through tough sets, or even just swimming that extra lap, you're building mental toughness and resilience. It requires patience, focus, and commitment to keep going and reach new levels. Endurance swimming, in particular, can help you build this mental toughness as you find ways to keep yourself motivated and energized even when you're feeling tired. This mental stamina often transfers to other areas of life, making you feel more resilient, focused, and confident in handling daily challenges. Additionally, swimming has a natural meditative quality, as the rhythmic movements and controlled breathing calm the mind and release stress. The water also creates a feeling of weightlessness, which helps reduce muscle tension and create a sense of relaxation. Swimming is like a mini vacation for the mind. It's just you, the water, and the sound of your breathing. Research has shown that regular swimming can help alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression by releasing endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Many swimmers describe feeling in the zone while swimming, which can reduce stress and create a sense of peace and well-being. Now let's talk about lung capacity and breath control benefits. Swimming requires you to control your breathing, especially when doing strokes like freestyle or butterfly. This controlled breathing not only improves lung capacity, but also teaches breath management. Over time, your lungs will adapt to the demands of swimming, allowing you to take in more oxygen with each breath and distribute it more efficiently to your muscles. For people with respiratory conditions like asthma, swimming can be particularly beneficial. The warm, moist air in indoor pools can make breathing easier, and the discipline of controlled breathing can help improve overall lung function and stamina. If you've ever struggled with sleep, you'll be happy to know that swimming can improve your sleep quality. Physical activity, in general, has been linked to better sleep, but swimming seems to be particularly effective at promoting restful, deep sleep. The combination of physical exertion, mental relaxation, and the cooling effect of water can help reset your body's internal clock and regulate sleep patterns. Studies have shown that people who swim regularly tend to fall asleep faster and experience fewer interruptions throughout the night, making it a great choice for those who struggle with insomnia or just want a better night's rest. What's more, one of the best things about swimming is that it's truly accessible to almost everyone. Babies, kids, teens, adults, and seniors can all benefit from swimming. For older adults, it's a gentle way to stay fit and active without stressing the joints. And for kids, it's not only fun but also teaches critical water safety skills. Swimming is also beneficial for pregnant women, as the buoyancy helps relieve pressure from the lower back and joints. One major advantage of swimming is how refreshing it feels, especially in warm weather. The water naturally cools your body as you exercise, allowing you to work hard without feeling overheated. That's a huge bonus if you live in a hot climate. And since swimming can be done indoors or outdoors, you have the flexibility to swim all year long, rain or shine. Lastly, learning to swim opens the door to a world of new adventures. From snorkeling and scuba diving to water polo and surfing, swimming is a foundational skill that can make other water-based activities possible. Plus, it's a skill you can use your whole life. Many people find that the confidence they gain from swimming leads them to try new challenges and explore places they might not have otherwise. So there you have it, folks. Swimming is an amazing way to stay fit, relieve stress, build endurance, and improve mental clarity. It's one of the rare activities that combines so many physical, mental, and social benefits into a single workout. So, next time you're looking for a workout that leaves you feeling refreshed, strong, and centered, just remember, there's nothing quite like a good swim. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.